What is going on, Angelo family? Breaking news, Tesla just announced that they're doing a $2,000 referral bonus whenever you order a Tesla. It used to be $500 for Tesla Model 3s, $500 Tesla Model Ys, $1,000 for an S, X, or Cybertruck. Now they doubled it. So $2,000, you get a referral bonus for a Cybertruck, $2,000 for an S, $2,000 for an X. That's a discount on your order, as well as you get $1,000 for Model 3, $1,000 for Model Y. Another thing on top of that is that you also get a 3 months of free full self-driving and then 3 months of free supercharging whenever you use a referral code. So you guys use my link, my code down below, and you get 3 free full months of full self-driving as well as 3 full months of supercharging, and you get $500 or $1,000 off your Model 3 or Y, or $2,000 off your S or X. So with that being said, Jello, I'm gonna click that link down below. I really love driving Teslas, so that's why I kind of like advertised it. And it's probably been the best car for me, especially since I drive so much. And what I'm gonna do now is I'm just gonna show you all the Teslas that there are on the lot right now, so you can see, well, maybe I do want this car, maybe I want that car. But let's take a look at all the Teslas right now and show you kind of like new stuff. I'm pretty excited. Okay guys, so this is a Model X. This also qualifies for a $7,500 rebate. So essentially you're almost paying $10,000 off, which is crazy. What does that mean? So you get $2,000 off your Model X, right? Because of the referral program. And then you get another $7,500 on top of that because of the federal rebate. That's all applied to the purchase price. So you almost $10,000 off your car right now. And then you get free full self-driving for 3 months and then free supercharging for 3 months. Really great deal. This is a Tesla Cybertruck non-foundation series, so it is about $20,000 cheaper because you don't have foundation series, and I really don't think you need foundation series because it is expensive for $20,000 to just get free full self-driving. Nah, just do the what's it called, subscription package where you pay about $100 a month, $99 a month. So this, it's about $79,990, so almost $80,000. But if you have a business, there is a $7,500 clean air EV rebate, which is pretty good. And then you also get to basically get another $2,000 off the purchase price because of your your Tesla referral that you can use down below for my link. So that's almost $10,000 off again. So pretty beneficial if you have a business. And then I believe this car is heavy enough to use it as a write-off, so work with your accountant on that. But that's almost $10,000 off, so about, I'd say around $70,000 for the purchase price of the car. Out the door, you're still looking about almost, say, $80,000 if you use all the rebates and everything for the car. So pretty cool. This is Tesla Cybertruck non-foundation series. I really recommend this. Going with this one. Don't go with foundation series. Super expensive. That's the one thing about that. This over here, another Tesla Cybertruck non-foundation series. You get that full bonus basically, which is really cool. And you get to drive a Cybertruck. So I kind of think this is like a good deal right now, but personally I might wait a bit till it drops even more. I know they have a lot of good rebates and stuff and all, but it's still rather expensive for a Cybertruck. But if you really want it now, you get a good deal, about $20,000 off because it's foundation series, and another, say, $10,000 because of the clean air EV rebate for business, as well as $2,000 off for your referral program. Here are all the new Model Ys and 3s. This is a Model Y long range. As you can see here, this is updated for 2024, so it has the latest and greatest interior right now. Look at the purchase price of the car. It looks like it's $50,800, and it looks really nice. It looks like they kind of grayed out the rims over here, so the rims are all grayed out now. This is about $500 or $1,000 off now, plus a $7,500 rebate. So you're looking at about, I'd say, about $42,000 before tax. Out the door, you're probably at $46,000 for this car. It's a really great car. Here are the Model 3s. This Model 3 is a Highland refresh. Looks like it's just a long range rear wheel drive because there's no dual motor badge, but it has this really nice new silver color I like on it, and about 360 miles of range, as well as white interior, and then you get the whole refresh, and it's just such a nice color. Look at that. It's like stealth gray per se, which I like better than the other gray color. And yep, 46,880 long range rear wheel drive. So after your rebates and everything, about almost $40,000, and then you get the EV rebate and all that good stuff. So pretty good deal right now on the car. A lot of rebates right now. Here is the Model Y in that same color, that gray color, really nice. And I just kind of enjoyed this new color look. But the thing is with this Model Y is that just need to be aware, there is a thing called Model Y Juniper. Don't know who named it, but that's probably gonna be launching soon in 2025 or so. So if you do get this car for a really good deal, just know that they're gonna have a refresh sooner or later. So most likely sooner. So just keep that in mind when you get this car. But if you want a great deal, the car's right there. And then also here, you have another Model X, really nice. This color is free, and you get a basically $7,500 rebate on the car, and you get the Model X, which is really cool. I enjoy that car, like really smooth suspension, super big, and it's a great car. So more Cybertrucks over there, ton of Cybertrucks. I think right now the wait time for a non-foundation series is about a month, but if you go with a foundation series, they have some in inventory, you get the same day. And I don't think it's worth it though, just because $20,000 for a foundation series, and you get some badging and full self-driving. I don't know. So foundation series right here. This also qualifies for that $2,000. Oh, this is a Cyber Beast. Cyber Beast is still $121,000, which is crazy. Foundation series. Honestly, like I don't really think you can drive that fast with a Cybertruck, but teach their own. So these are also $2,000 off. But keep in mind, like they don't tell you this, a Cybertruck has a destination fee of $2,000. So essentially, you're just getting free, no destination fee, which is pretty crazy. If you buy a new car, you basically have to get, it does come with a destination fee, so it's pretty expensive, which kind of sucks. Here is the Model Y in that new red color. I really like it, super vibrant. It's like that ultra red, and then with the black kind of Continental wheels and the basic wheels that come with the car. So I really like the look on that. Here's a Model Y Performance, Uber turbine wheels. This is also $1,000 off, so it's a lot faster. Just keep in mind though, this Y has a bumpy suspension. I used to have this car. Suspension was super bumpy compared to the new Model 3, the Model S and X. Oh, okay, here. There's a Model S over here. That one is pretty nice too. And this one over here, this looks like a brand new Model S. So this Model S, this does qualify for a $2,000 rebate. Unfortunately, the S doesn't have a $7,500 rebate like most of the other Teslas do, but you get $2,000 off this car. It does have the newest, latest, and greatest kind of seats over here. You do have that new charge port. The back screen is a little bit bigger as well, and that's really, oh, I guess the screen adjusts left and right, but you don't really need that, to be quite frank with you. But yeah, new Model S over here, $7,500 that doesn't qualify, but you do get $2,000 off, and you get free full self-driving and free supercharging for 2 months, or 3 months, which is pretty cool. I enjoy all these cars. Here are those Cybertrucks again, and then here are some more Model 3s that do qualify for $1,000 off of your purchase price, which is cool. We'll see tomorrow. Tomorrow is Black Friday, so maybe they have another deal, but right now it's the deal going on right now. So that being said, guys, which car are you gonna get? Personally, I would try and get the Model Cybertruck. I'm probably gonna get a Cybertruck, but I'm waiting for it to drop right now because I know how Teslas are. They have a lot of depreciation on the car and vehicle itself, so it's kind of like you just want to wait per se till you actually get a few years under the car and it depreciates a bit. So that's what I was thinking too, is like, let me wait for a bit for the car to depreciate even more, and then as it depreciates even more, then eventually I'll buy the car. But right now, I would just wait, to be quite frank with you, for a Cybertruck. But for those Model 3s and Model Ys, they are a good deal, as well as for the X. So it's about $7,500 off for the X, another $2,000 off for the the referral program. So it's almost $10,000 off. Those Model 3s, pretty good deal right now. $7,500 rebate, $1,000 off, so $8,500. Same thing with the Model Y, $7,500 off for the federal rebate, another $1,000 off for the referral. Use my link below. $8,500. So pretty good deals for that car. Cybertruck, I really want it. It's just too expensive right now. It doesn't seem like, I feel like it's gonna drop, because when they had the S and X back when they first released it, $120,000 cars dropped like crazy. So I would just hang tight till Tesla keeps making more, and I already paid off this car. That's the good thing. So let me know, link down below, guys, if you want to buy a Tesla brand new, $1,000 to $2,000 off, 3 months free full self-driving, 3 months free supercharging. Also have my link below. Check out my Amazon store. I have all the stuff I use for my Tesla and just my channel, my business. So I get a commission from that. So I appreciate you guys if you purchase something. And yeah, transparency, I do get a commission, but helps grow the channel. Thank you guys. See y'all soon. Peace.